This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Michael Rolinski. Beautiful Harrisburg model Liner built 4-bedroom/2 bathroom/2 car garage home. As you walk in through the front door, you will be greeted by the beautiful dinette/kitchen/living room open floor plan combo. The kitchen has a large island complete with breakfast bar that opens up to the dining room and living room. All appliances in kitchen, stainless steel, are less than 1 year old. The main living area features gorgeous ceramic tile throughout. The large master bedroom is located just off the living room and features a huge walk-in closet. The remaining 3 bedrooms at the front of the home are nicely sized and share a full bath. All bedrooms are carpeted and have ceiling fans. Off the living room you will have glass sliding doors to your very spacious backyard area with fencing on 2 sides already in place for you to completely fence in the yard for your privacy. Centrally located to everything you need in the Ruskin area. Minutes from I-75, Amazon, and HCC's South Shore campus. Don't miss this incredible opportunity. This home will sell fast. For more information,